So this is the i3E EOS. It's got a Christmas theme, it's green, and it's got snowflakes all throughout it. And you're probably asking yourself at this point, how can this be a one-year review if I'm unboxing this on camera right now? And that's because I've been carrying one on my keychain since April of 2021. And I really do like this keychain flashlight for a couple of reasons, and I'm going to let you know what they are in this video. What a nice green color that is. Comes with a key ring. So if you unscrew the top here, we're going to expose the battery, which is 1 AAA, it's alkaline, and it comes with the flashlight. There is a protective plastic coating on here, I think. Yeah, right here. So you have to take this off so that you can actually use the flashlight. And I've actually been using this on my keychain, as I stated before, for about a year now. And I really do like this flashlight. The reason behind that is the way the mechanism works. Not only is it incredibly easy to use, there's no buttons, there's no modes, it's just on or off. But the way this mechanism works is that you unscrew it to turn it off. So it kind of disconnects the LED from the battery. And I really like the simplicity of this for a couple of reasons. The first reason, as I stated earlier, it's simple. The second reason is because of that disconnectivity. This can stay in your pocket, on your keychain, or wherever you want to put it. And because it's disconnected, I don't think there's really going to be any parasitic draw on the battery. So it's not going to drain the battery sitting idle on the flashlight. And when you turn it off, go to turn it off, turn it on, it just doesn't feel cheap. And that's really what sets Olight apart from many other flashlights. Here's what the i3 EOS looks like with the lights off in the basement. And this is with the alkaline battery. In my keychain i3 EOS, the one I showed you earlier, that one actually has a Energizer lithium. Let's see if there's a difference. It looks exactly the same to me. So we're going to go back to the green one with the alkaline. And now the Energizer lithium.